Vitamins are essential to the health and well-being of pet pigeons. Although required in relatively small amounts compared to proteins, fats, or carbohydrates, these micronutrients play a crucial role in regulating biological processes that maintain life and vitality. Unlike macronutrients, which provide the energy necessary for movement and activity, vitamins act as catalysts for countless physiological reactions, supporting growth, feather development, immunity, reproduction, and overall metabolic efficiency. A deficiency in any essential vitamin can manifest in subtle ways that are easy to overlook or in more severe health problems that threaten the bird's life. Therefore, understanding what vitamins pigeons need, how to provide them, and how to detect both deficiency and excess is fundamental to responsible pigeon care. Pigeons, like all avian species, require both fat-soluble and water-soluble vitamins to thrive. Fat-soluble vitamins, A, D, E, and K, can be stored in the bird's tissues and used over time, which makes them critical for long-term health but also requires caution, as excessive supplementation can lead to toxicity. Water-soluble vitamins, including the B-complex and vitamin C, are not stored in significant amounts and must be supplied regularly through the diet to ensure continuous physiological function. Both fat-soluble and water-soluble vitamins are indispensable, and deficiencies in any of them can produce a range of problems from weakened immunity to stunted growth. Reproductive failure and poor feather quality. Vitamin A is one of the most critical nutrients for pigeons, supporting skin health, feather quality, mucous membrane integrity, vision, and the immune system. In particular, vitamin A is essential for low-light vision, which allows pigeons to navigate and forage safely in dawn or dusk conditions. A deficiency can result in dull or brittle feathers, poor feather regrowth after molting, respiratory issues, susceptibility to infections, and general lethargy. In severe cases, chronic deficiency may lead to eye problems and even blindness. Pet pigeons obtain vitamin A primarily from green leafy vegetables, such as kale, spinach, and parsley, as well as orange or red fruits and vegetables, including carrots, bell peppers, and pumpkin. Fortified pigeon pellets also contain vitamin A. It is crucial to avoid oversupplementation, as excessive vitamin A is fat-soluble and can accumulate in tissues, leading to toxicity. Signs of vitamin A overdose include loss of appetite, vomiting, feather discoloration, and even liver damage. Therefore, measurement and moderation are essential. Vitamin D, particularly D3, is necessary for calcium absorption, bone development, and overall skeletal strength. Without adequate vitamin D, pigeons may develop weak or brittle bones, deformed beaks, or fractures. Outdoor pigeons often synthesize vitamin D naturally through exposure to sunlight, which stimulates the production of this vitamin in the skin. However, indoor pigeons or those living in low-light conditions may require supplementation through fortified feed or avian vitamin drops. Controlled sunlight exposure through open windows or supervised outdoor time is also beneficial. Vitamin D works in tandem with calcium to strengthen bones, support reproductive health, and promote chick viability in breeding pigeons. Vitamin E functions as a powerful antioxidant, protecting cells from oxidative stress caused by free radicals. It is especially important for the immune system, reproduction, and cellular health. Breeding pigeons rely on adequate vitamin E to ensure fertility, strong embryonic development, and healthy chick growth. A deficiency may manifest as poor growth, muscular weakness, decreased stamina, or reduced reproductive performance. Vitamin E can be provided through green leafy vegetables, seeds such as sunflower and safflower, and fortified commercial feed. Careful supplementation is necessary, as excessive intake can accumulate in fat stores and lead to toxicity. Vitamin K plays a critical role in blood clotting and overall circulatory health. Although dietary deficiencies are rare in well-fed pigeons, supplementation may become necessary if a bird is recovering from illness, surgery, or injury. Leafy greens, certain grains, and some fortified feed provide natural sources of vitamin K. Ensuring proper intake helps prevent excessive bleeding and supports the bird's ability to recover from minor injuries. Water-soluble vitamins, while not stored extensively in the body, are equally vital. Vitamin C is a key component of immune system function, aiding in the body's response to infection and stress. It also promotes wound healing and general vitality. While pigeons can synthesize small amounts of vitamin C naturally, supplementation may be particularly beneficial during periods of stress, illness, or breeding. Safe sources include fresh fruits, vegetables, and, when necessary, controlled doses added to drinking water. Care must be taken to avoid excessive supplementation, which can disrupt nutrient balance. The B-complex vitamins, B1, thiamine, B2, riboflavin, B3, niacin, B5, pantothenic acid, B6, pyridoxine, B7, biotin, B9, folic acid, and B12, cobalamin, are critical for a wide array of physiological processes. They regulate energy metabolism, red blood cell formation, nervous system function, and the health of feathers and beaks. A deficiency in any of these B vitamins may lead to poor feather quality, dull plumage, reduced activity, digestive disturbances, and neurological symptoms, including poor coordination or lethargy. These vitamins are naturally present in a balanced diet of grains, legumes, seeds, and fortified pigeon feed, but additional supplementation can be considered during periods of high energy demand. Stress, or breeding. Providing vitamins to a pet pigeon is not solely a matter of supplements. A varied, well-rounded diet remains the most reliable source of essential nutrients. Commercial pigeon mixes are formulated to include many of the necessary vitamins, but fresh vegetables, fruits, and controlled vitamin supplementation enhance overall nutrition and prevent deficiencies. Leafy greens such as kale, spinach, and parsley, along with vegetables like carrots and pumpkin, supply vital fat-soluble vitamins, while fruits such as apples, pears, and berries provide water-soluble nutrients, antioxidants, and fiber. Caution is essential when supplementing, particularly with fat-soluble vitamins. Oversupplementation may result in lethargy, digestive upset, feather discoloration, or organ damage. Following manufacturer guidelines and consulting an avian veterinarian whenever adding vitamins is strongly recommended. Monitoring your pigeon for signs of deficiency or toxicity is equally important. Subtle signs, including dull or brittle feathers, delayed molting, weakness, reduced appetite, or poor reproductive performance, may indicate inadequate vitamin intake. Regular observation of your pigeon's behavior, feather condition, and energy levels is essential for early detection of problems. Breeding pigeons have increased nutritional demands. Vitamins A, D3, E, and B-complex are especially important during egg formation, incubation, and chick rearing. Adequate intake ensures strong eggshells, proper embryonic development, and vigorous chicks. Stress, illness, or environmental changes can increase vitamin requirements, making careful attention to diet and supplementation essential during these periods. For breeding pairs, additional monitoring and vitamin support may prevent reproductive complications and support the development of healthy offspring. Practical feeding strategies help ensure pigeons receive the vitamins they need. Rotating grains and seeds provides diversity in B vitamins and trace minerals. Including fresh greens daily supplies vitamin A, K, and E, offering small portions of fruits several times per week supplies vitamin C and additional antioxidants. Providing access to cuttlebone, mineral blocks, or finely ground oyster shells ensures adequate calcium, working synergistically with vitamin D3 for bone and egg health. Water should be fresh, clean, and changed daily, as it is essential for the absorption of many vitamins and for overall hydration. Some vitamins, particularly water-soluble ones like C and the B-complex, may be added in safe doses to water during periods of increased need. Always follow safe dosing guidelines and observe the pigeon for any changes in behavior, appetite, or droppings. In addition to diet, environmental enrichment supports vitamin function. Pigeons exposed to natural sunlight synthesize vitamin D and maintain healthy circadian rhythms. Exercise allows metabolic processes to function optimally, enhancing the utilization of vitamins for energy, feather development, and immune defense. Observing pigeons while they exercise and interact with their surroundings provides subtle insight into their overall health and nutritional status. Ultimately, a well-balanced diet that includes grains, seeds, legumes, fresh fruits and vegetables, and carefully monitored supplements ensures that a pigeon thrives rather than simply survives. Proper vitamin intake supports feather gloss and molting cycles, strengthens bones, enhances immune resilience, and maintains energy and activity levels. It also allows pigeons to express natural behaviors, including preening, exploring, and social interaction, reflecting a state of contentment and well-being. Vitamins are foundational to a pet pigeon's health. Responsible care requires not only providing a varied, balanced diet but also observing, adjusting, and supplementing as needed. By understanding the role of each vitamin, monitoring for deficiency or excess, and responding to the bird's specific life stage and environment, caretakers can ensure that their pigeons are always healthy.